everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we have a 1985 Aston Martin Lagonda CRT that has just come in for a light refresh of the full interior, and as you can see all across here there's a bit of colour damage. There's some cracks, faint cracks that are just starting to develop on the seat, so we're going to need to fill that. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting little job to do, yeah, let's get on with it. As these seats require just a light refresh, we use our DIY recoloring product called the Leather Fresh, which is a one-step paint system for leather, vinyl and plastic. The product was mostly applied using a sponge, but we also sprayed the product in certain hard to reach areas. Right then guys, so we've all done and dusted with this job here. Relatively easy job to do, but with the different colored piping, that adds quite a few hours to a job like this. Obviously you are going to have to mask and work on either side, but inevitably there can be a little bit of overspray that goes onto the piping, which we've cleaned and we've recolored as well. But it's all looking really good. It feels really nice and soft as well. So I'm really impressed with the way this turned out. But let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your feedback as always, and I hope you give us a like and subscribe to the channel as well, and look forward to catching you all very soon in the next video.